We've just acquired this new shape Mercedes E-Class AMG Sport Estate. Absolutely fantastic condition. Beautiful pearlescent red metallic. Park distance control. Unmarked alloy wheels. Privacy glass to the rear. Does have the tilt slide panoramic sunroof. Full AMG body styling. Rear parking sensors. Electric tailgate. You can see the boot area is in absolutely lovely condition. It's just a protector on there. It's lovely inside. Half leather, half Alcantara with white stitch piping. Beautiful finished trim inside. Tilt side panoramic roof. Memory seats. Heated seats. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 83,002 miles. Satellite navigation. Cruise control. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Reverse camera and park distance control. All your iDrives, different ways of driving it. USBs. It's a facelift model, like I say, so you've got the two screens here as well. Does everything, navigation, climate control. Media pack, DAB. Absolutely stunning car. Electric window, sorry, electric seats over there and heated seats as well. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07 503 751 005. Thank you.